it have to be clean 100%, not clean 99%, clean. So that's why I don't put any single kind of makeup on my forehead, because I'm afraid I might cause some mess. Kasho Otjikaiva shomundu shamanuka. This one, it's ready to be posted to the owner. It's done. So just enjoy the video and get the first tip on how I came up with this beautiful.
Mundonyima yolonyim ungama pondwe kuyangwe inji konja no vitundu yore wakwe muvete oveko na madembiro.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Yore. Yore means rejoice or be happy. Can you guys just be happy for no reason? Can you guys just be happy? Can we be happy? Can we be happy, please, guys? Right? And welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you for subscribing. Yo guys, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing this video in other platforms. I can see the vibe, guys. Thank you for the support. Hey, and to the new ones, welcome home. This is home. Welcome home, and please subscribe to your girl channel, and don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up, and then you also press on the share button. You share this to other platforms with your friends and families. And then what else? Let's get in today's video. In today's video, I'm going to give you only 2 steps on how to make our traditional headgear. Only 2 of them. The first one, which is the rolling of newspapers, to come up with this beautiful shape, which just give us that unique modern, because it is a modern way of doing it, our modern look of our traditional headgear. So now I'm going to use my solo tape to roll my newspapers. So in total I'm having 14 newspapers, but it depends from different people. If you want the one which look a little bit huge or big, or look, you can add some more newspapers. And to those who want a little bit to look medium size, you can use 14 newspaper. You put 7 and 7, and then you start rolling, and then your rolling shape have to come out in a round shape, and then you use your solo tape to hold on your edge. Especially on your edge, you have to press it very hard in order for you to come with that sharp edge. Right, I'm going to have as the main fabric material. This is how it look like. It have to be in a triangle shape. And if your designer is making your dress, please advise them to make this a little bit longer, because if it's very short, it's very difficult for it to come and close on your forehead. That's one problem. Munamaga, thank you, girl. You did a good job. I like it. And the other thing, you have to have your second fabric material, which is in a little bit hard, in a viscose fabric material. This is only to give a support to your main fabric, right? And the other thing I'm having is my rolled newspaper and some holding pins, which is in there. They look like they are very few. I don't know if I can manage because I'm making 2 headgear. So one thing that I didn't tell you in the first video is that you can see my forehead is just looking like horrible, because I didn't apply makeup in my forehead. Because you see, I'm going to use a white othurunga. I'm going to use a white one. So, and this is not for myself, it's for somebody else. It's very, very shameful and preparing somebody else's headgear, and when they look at it, it's having a makeup inside. So I did not apply anything over here. Even my eyebrows, they're just clean. That's why in my first video I'm looking a little bit somehow, but please just ignore my look and focus on the content, right? That's one problem I'm having with doing the things, because I'm not going to always look representable. So, and guys, we are still in the crisis of COVID-19. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to use sanitizers. Wear your face mask, and when go out when it's only needed. Just when folding it like this, it means inside it will be look smooth. Will be the inside part, right? I don't know if you guys are getting this, but then yeah, fold it like this. Just do what I'm doing for those who want to learn. And guys, please don't come and just try to argue with me and try to do what I'm doing. What I know, what I have learned, and I learned these things while I'm here in the UK. Nobody was next to me, supporting me, giving me clue. I was just trying all my best to gather all this information through video calls, through audio clips, up until I reached this level. So don't try to come to me that no, the other person is doing that. Other person, normally there are a lot of plenty ideas of preparing anything in this world, right? What I'm giving out here is what the little that I know myself, right? You take your fabric material, and then you take your newspaper, you put it somewhere here, making sure that it's not gonna be long or longer. Let me say, it's not gonna be long. Okay. Okay. Good. You see? You see? Now I'm going to pin it up here, and then put it on my head. Just take this and pin it at the back. Okay, and then you take this the length, the longer sides of your fabric material, you tie them up here. That's what normally most of the people do, right? But I hate it, covering my face like that. I hate it. This, you see? Can you see that? It's looking so beautiful. It's like ready to be done. Can you see how it's looking like? And then Shitwa the remba. What we normally do, you take one of your sides, the other one, this one, you throw it here, and then now you continue with the other one. I told you, right? But first, before, my mom told me you should pin on your sides, both of your sides. Over here, I pin it here. Oof. I have to make sure very well that this thing is very, very small, because I'm making it for somebody with a small. You fold it back. Is it backwards? Yes. You bring it to the front. You see, you bring that other side. You bring it to the front and come and pin it up here. After you pin it, you just take it backwards, 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 and you come and close here. You fold it there, and then now we go to the second one. So it's the one which has just come with that back shape. I don't know how to call it in English. Believe me, if there is that word in English, guys, can you help me? I wish who can translate this for me. Okay. So in today's video, we are going to end here. In today's video, we are going to end. I'm going to end here, right here, like this. So this video gonna end here today, and then in my next video, which is coming, yeah, after some couple of weeks, maybe after 3 weeks, because in between here there's something exciting. Yes, I'm going to bring you other different things apart from these traditional things. So guys, stay tuned and don't forget to press on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a video you can be notified. But in the some coming videos, we are going to start from here. For now, practice how to roll your newspapers, practice how to tie your first fabric material, which is, we call it the lining, or we call it othurung or ohore. We call it ohore in my language. And then you practice how to pin your newspaper. Practice these first 2 steps. Omwana okumango korande, omwana okumango hore, omwana okupato shikai vashwe kuno hore, omwana okudoro shikai ohore wenja pat korande wenja pat homono shikai va opata kongo twe odana uro maoko shikai vashwe, because those long things they call maoko in our vernacular language, because yeah, these things also got its own jargons, and those some of those words to translate it in English, it's so very difficult, because you know these are traditional things, right? Anyway guys, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and oh, I'm so grateful, I'm so overwhelmed at the support, the love, the encouragements. Thank you guys for watching this video. Probably see you on my next coming videos. Thank you very much.